It's PROPtober! Hey everybody, and welcome to week 3 of the PROPtober giveaway. During the month of October, every Monday I'm going to be giving away around $70 worth of Gemfan bi-blade propellers. So many props! If you want to enter, leave a comment with the hashtag PROPtober giveaway in this video down below to enter. Be sure to check the description for the full details. And now it's time to announce the previous week's winners. From YouTube, Daniel Gormley. Congratulations, Daniel. And from Instagram, Gaspy Maschietto. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Congratulations, you have won. Email me at RCwithAdam@gmail.com with your full shipping info, and I will send those props out to you. And remember, you can enter on YouTube and Instagram to double your possibility of winning. And all that I ask is that you subscribe to RC with Adam on YouTube and follow on Instagram. And hey, if you've been following me and subscribing and all that stuff, I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. Leave a comment below. Hope you win, and I'll see you next time.